In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background image and color themes in Google Chrome. Whether you're tired of the default look or you just want a little more personalization, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. It's a simple way to make your browsing experience more enjoyable. First things first, you'll need to open a new tab in Google Chrome. This step is crucial as the customization options we're looking for are only accessible from there. If you're not sure how to open a new tab, simply look for the plus sign next to your currently open tabs and click it. This will pop open a fresh new tab page ready for some stylish updates. Once you're in a new tab, navigate your attention to the bottom right side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a button that says Customize Chrome. Clicking this will grant you access to a myriad of customization options, which is what we'll be delving into next. Upon clicking Customize Chrome, a window will appear offering various customization features. This is your creative playground, where you can alter how Chrome looks and feels. You will notice different sections like background, shortcuts, and color and theme. Let's start with the background. You'll find options here to either upload your own image or choose from a set of categories ranging from landscapes to abstract art. Selecting an option is as simple as clicking on your chosen category, browsing through the selections, and picking an image that resonates with your style. After you've selected your background image, you might be interested in tweaking the color theme of your browser as well. Head over to the Color and Themes section. Here, you can choose from a palette of colors to match or contrast your chosen background. This helps to better express your personality or mood while you surf the web. As you make these selections, Google Chrome will instantly update to reflect your choices, giving you a live preview of what your customized browser looks like. This allows you to mix and match different themes and backgrounds until you find the perfect combination. Once you're satisfied with your selections, simply close out of the customization panel. Your changes are automatically saved, so there's no need to worry about losing your customized look. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your browsing experience into something personal and uniquely you. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you enjoy browsing with your new setup. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.